How to connect to your YouTube account with your Discord account. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect your YouTube account with your Discord. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's begin. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your Discord. You can do it on your app or you can just search it on your web browser. So I'm just going to search for discord.com. Now from here you're just going to click on open Discord in your browser. But if you want to continue with your app, that's totally fine as well. So once you are logged into your profile, all you have to do is click on this gear icon right beside your profile and it will open up your user settings. On the left side of your screen you will find different menus like your profile, privacy center, family, authorized app, device, and connections. You just want to head over to connections. And here you have actually multiple things that you can connect to your Discord, but what you basically need to do is go ahead and click on view more. If you see YouTube right on top, that's totally fine, but I'm not seeing YouTube here. I'm just going to click on view more, and then as you can see YouTube is here right at the bottom. I'm just going to click on it and it will open another window where you can choose your YouTube account that's connected, and from here you can click on select all, read through this, and then click on continue. And once you do that, you just have to wait for a bit till your Discord and YouTube is connected. So as you can see, your YouTube and Discord is connected right here. I'm just going to close this out, and here the YouTube channel is showing. You can also toggle this if you want to show this on your profile. So what this basically means is if I keep this on, go ahead and click on view my profile, and from here what you can do is when other people view your profile, you can basically see, they can basically see your YouTube channel. So if I just click right here and then click on view profile, they will see my YouTube channel tagged with my Discord profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.